All right, we'll do slight microphone in this. Just I'll talk occasionally to explain what's going on. Um, yeah. All right. All right. Oh, shoot. All right. Where am I getting the state? Get state async. Okay, so I'm just overcomplicating this. Why is that in the member? Huh. That should really be a part of the user. I think I may have made a wee mistake there. That's alright. That's just fine. Let's go into the database on my other screen so I don't accidentally, you know, give you guys any information you're not supposed to have. And I'm gonna do some magic here. Alright, so let's go into planet members. Did I make state a part of the... No, I didn't. Huh. Why is that a part of that? That's kind of weird. That should really just be a part of user. I think we can simplify this a bit. Yeet this out because that's really unnecessary. Now that we're actually doing the proper state system, we'll just switch this to if user, or if user is null, then we'll do load user async, and then do underscore user dot user state. And this is actually going to change to be user state that we get out of this. Fantastic. Down here, this will load state async, or oh shoot, because that was supposed to show which oh, I'm stupid. Okay, that's actually because I wanted to make it a little bit more complicated. I got it. That's why. Shoot. Okay. I should really rename that to... Yeah, I should really rename that. So, instead of state, we'll call that, because state should mean like online and stuff. This is the... What do you call it? The thing you set under your name? Oh, status. Here we go. Yeah, we want that to be status. Status. All right. Just rename that to cached status, because that makes way more sense anyways. Get status async. That's alright, that's alright. Has to be renamed as well. Get status. Very nice. Get color. I don't think any of that has to be changed. Cool, so that is correct. That should have been status, which makes a lot more sense. And then inside of this member list component, or not that, inside of this, we're going to rename this to status as well. That's fine. We're going to name this status. Status. That should really be different, but that's okay. We'll go into the CSS and change that as well, because this is going to confuse me if I don't fix this. Status. Okay. Looks good. Looks good. Okay. Great. So this is what we need to change. This active circle. So we're gonna do public user state equals user state dot offline. As you can see, beautiful. And then we're going to actually get the state now instead of just guessing. So we're going to state equals await user dot user state. Fantastic. Oh, we don't need to await it. That's unnecessary. Fantastic. Very nice. Huge fan of that. Okay, so now that we got the user state, all we have to do is make it do things here actually depending on that. So we're gonna do if state equals user state dot online, then it does the active circle. But we're gonna need other circles too, because people aren't always online unless they have no life like me. This needs to be closed. Shoot. Very nice. All right. So then we are going to have to make new things. Let's go ahead and find active circle. And let's go ahead and make some new ones. We'll make... actually, I'm gonna put this... I'm gonna rename this activity or state circle. And then I'm going to actually make more complicated versions. Sidebar user dot state circle dot active, or we'll actually make it make more sense. We'll do dot online, and actually this is fantastic because I can make this magic. All I have to do is do class equals, and then I can do at state dot toString, and then it'll directly convert it. So I'm gonna have to do this capital just for fun. Okay, fantastic. Oh no, state dot, oh shoot, shoot, we're gonna have to add another thing to this. That's okay. So we'll add another thing here called public string class name get set, because you can't have spaces in them. So we'll do class name equals offline, class name equals away, class name equals do not disturb, class name equals online. Fantastic. And then when we go back to the member component here, we're going to make it do at state.className. Very nice. And I'm gonna put a marking here so I can remember what this is. Activity bubble, or I'll just call it state bubble. So that'll hold the state, and then we just have to make the classes. So online is this one because it's this color. The only thing that changes is the color. So, and then we'll do away. Pope's going to slaughter me for choosing colors on my own, but I'm going to choose colors. I don't think so. I do read chat, you absolute hooligans. Alright, we're just gonna go to a color picker, and I'm gonna pick some damn colors. Okay, away color, not blindingly bright, just like that's fine. Alright. F0E62E. Fantastic. We got do not disturb, which is gonna be red. Which is gonna be F2 1 F1 F. Alright. And then we're gonna do use I'll change the color things later. I just want to make this work, man. And then there's offline. B3, B3, B3. Fantastic. We will see if this actually works in any respect. Everyone should just be offline by default. Ah, cannot. Yeah, because I really screwed that up, didn't I? Yeah. Okay. So we gotta do return user state dot states user state value, and then we do user state value equals value dot value hot. Ba ba da ba 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 da ba ba. Okay, that's not good. User state requires a primary key. Wait. I didn't intend on creating a Uh-oh. What have I done? User state shouldn't be treated... Uh-oh. Folks, I have made a mistake. This needs to be ignored by the database. How do I not include? Fawn. Yeah, one moment. It's gotta be in here. There's gotta be a way to say, please don't add this to the database. Ignore, not required, opposite of required, required to not exist. Shoot, uh-oh. What have I done? Ermithy, EF core, ignore field. Not mapped. Oh, okay, not mapped. Ah, fantastic. All right. Magic. Hit me with that magic. Don't crash. Don't crash. Don't. Ah, beautiful. Now when I go into Valour, it should just say offline for everyone now. Oh, I have to refresh my CSS. Uh-oh. This still does not look very good, so I have made a mistake somewhere. That's alright. Let's go ahead and click on this bad boy and figure out where the heck I messed up. User info, there's the username. Ooh, that, oh, that's fine. User status state. Oh, shoot, I'm really dumb, that's why. Maybe if I was less dumb, it wouldn't be a problem. I need to do state-circle first. There we go. This will be better. All right, let's go ahead and refresh the CSS. A blank database won't be easy because we change the database so often. Okay, that's kind of better. I still don't know what's going on here. So watch this. This is kind of magical. If I click here, I can then do a hover. And then it'll keep it open. It'll think I'm hovering. Okay, so user state circle offline. So dot state circle. Does it have to be like right in front of each other? Is that why? I don't remember. I think it might have to be right in front of each other. Yeah, because no, CSS is weird. Okay, if you want it to be together like that, they have to be touching, I think. And then if you want it to be the child, I think it, yeah. I think. I'm trying to remember my CSS here. Okay, come on, baby. Yes! Oh, look at that. The little offline circles are doing an offline. Look at that. Fantastic. So now it doesn't look like everyone is online. Of course, the actual status is wrong, but everyone's offline. They're not online because they are, in fact, offline. The logic to get the state of the people needs to be added, but you know what? That's at least a step. I have to leave you guys because there's something extremely important I must do. So, yeah. I'll be programming more, but I will be ending the stream. I may start streaming Valour Development on the main channel. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see.